Alright, Beckham just copied me sticking my tongue out for the first time, so I'm going to try to get him on video doing it. Beckham, look at Mama. Beckham. He's looking at the camera. Beckham, stick your tongue out for Mama. Look at Mama. Beckham. Look at Mama, baby. You can do it. Stick your tongue out, baby. There you go. Come on, look at Mama. Stick your tongue out for Mama. What's Mama doing? You can do it. Yay, there's a tongue. You can do it, baby. Where's that tongue, baby? Where's the tongue, Beckham? Show Mama the tongue. Show Mama again. There's a tongue. There it is. Yay! Good boy, Beckham. Yay! You did it. You show Mama the tongue. Yeah, good boy. Let me see. Do it again. I saw it. I saw that tongue. Let's do it again. Do it. Yay, you're doing such a good job. Yay, baby. You're sticking your tongue out where Mommy does. You did it, baby. What do you think about that? You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy, Beckham. Yeah, that's what you think? That's what you think about that? All right. Yay. Now we have to show Daddy. Let's go show Daddy. Yeah, we're going to show Daddy. We're going to show Daddy what you can do. You are such a big boy. Yes. You stuck your tongue out. You stuck your tongue out for Mama. All right. Bye, babe.